All right, let's make a tweak to the Essentials indicator, which would now be Essentials 2.0. So here I am on the weekly chart, and I have outlined last week's high and low. And so I marked out last week's high and low. And the new thing that I have on this indicator, number one, I got rid of all the ICT macros. We don't really pay attention to those. It's clogging it up. I got rid of them. So I added last week's high and low. Right here, last week's high and low. So if we go in and delete these two lines, I just want to show you that the markings are accurate. I have them as purple right now. And if you wanted to, you can go in and obviously change all of those and say, you know what, I don't want them purple, I want them white. No problem, come in and make them white. I want to make it a horizontal line. No problem, come in and make it a horizontal line. However you'd like to do it. Now you've got your weekly highs and lows on your chart very easily. What else did I add on here? Well, first thing is on the front panel. If you scroll down to the bottom, I added a second notes panel. This way, when you stack the pre-flight indicator with the essentials indicator, you could have two panels of notes, okay? So you could have your set of notes here for your essentials indicator and turn on pre-flight and have your pre-flight notes right here, or have your pre-flight notes up here, or have your, wherever you want to put them, you have the ability to change where you want your notes. So right now, where it says your notes is here, we could do it middle left and it's over there. Let's go middle right so you can actually see it. Middle right, there's your notes. Okay, so this will give you the ability to have two panels of notes. I'll move it back to the bottom right. That's where I like it. So now, because what I'm going to do is we just finished 1 year of end of the day charts. And I'm thinking about what do I want to do for the next year? What would I want to track to even further refine our high probability system? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep track a little bit more of, was the trade during what I deem the best no trade zone and the final 30 minutes? Was it perhaps during the silver bullet AM or silver bullet PM? But definitely the red areas I'm going to pay a little more attention to, and we're going to track wins, losses, break-evens of our ideal trading windows, which I think is here. And I'm okay with the silver bullet hour, but I'm going to track AM, lunch, silver bullet, final 30 minutes. And we're going to have statistics based off those particular time frames. I think that's all the updates I really made on the essentials indicator. I'm going to publish that here in just a little bit. So expect that, and you should just be able to refresh your screen and it should go to Essentials 2.0. Thank you for being a member, and I hope you like the update.